680's Richard Southern joins us. Richard, did you have a good long weekend?
It was very nice. Nice Easter dinner with the fam yesterday. How about yourself?
Nice. It was good. The Easter Bunny came, left dozens and dozens of eggs around the house.
There was a big hunt, was there?
There was a massive hunt at the D'Souza house.
I hope you had some of them, not just the kids.
It was good. Good treats. No treats, though, for investors after, I guess, a long weekend of fresh worries about a China-U.S. trade war.
Yeah, it was an ugly one on Wall Street. Could have been worse, though, Francis. We did have the markets finishing well off the lows of the day, but the Dow, as you saw, down more than 450. We had the NASDAQ selling off as well, down 2.75%. And the TSX also taking a hit, down 1.9%. Fears of that trade war with China top of mind. Technology, though, also selling off. Amazon taking a big hit, Tesla as well. Not a great way to start the second quarter of the new week, Francis.
Yeah, you mentioned Amazon there. Is that because Trump yet again went after the online retailer on Twitter?
Yeah, we've seen this a few times now, and I want to show you the tweet this morning that really slammed Amazon stock. Trump writes, quote, "Only fools or worse are saying that our money-losing post office makes money with Amazon. They lose a fortune. This will be changed. Also, our fully tax-paying retailers are closing stores all over the country. Not a level playing field." Francis, Trump has repeatedly taken aim at Amazon. He blames the online retailer for the issues facing brick-and-mortar retail. There was a pair of tweets on Saturday where he said Amazon must pay real taxes now. Amazon has lost $53 billion in market value over the past week amid the series of Trump tweets. There's questions about what he could do. Could he even break up the company under antitrust legislation? This could have major implications for the technology industry on a whole, and that's why tech stocks took a big bath today.
This was an April Fool's joke that went maybe not so good.
Not good.
So Tesla CEO joked that the company was bankrupt, but many experts are actually wondering if that is actually true.
Yeah, ill-timed. So this was what Musk tweeted yesterday. He goes, "Despite intense efforts to raise money, including a last-ditch mass sale of Easter eggs, we're sad to report that Tesla has gone completely and totally bankrupt. So bankrupt, you can't even believe it." And then in a separate tweet, it's Musk passed out, supposedly drunk, propped up on a Tesla wearing bankruptcy sign. So here's the problem. John Thompson, a big chief investment officer at Vallis Capital, he noted to investors, quote, "Tesla, without any doubt, is on the verge of bankruptcy." That was his opinion. The company facing a massive cash crunch as it looks to build its vehicles, its Model 3, which it's supposed to be coming out with this year, the Tesla for the masses, struggling to get that on the production line. The stock fell 5.25%, $3 billion in lost market value. That means that could be the most expensive April Fool's Day joke on record, Francis.
Yikes.
Not good.
I guess next year will be a little different.
Yes. Don't even pretend. Don't drunk tweet and don't even pretend about drunk tweeting.
That's right.
Neither of them are good.
He's the absolute fool, yeah. So the McDonald's of the Philippines opened its first GTA restaurant over the weekend. The lines were incredible, Richard, at Jollibee.
7 hours overnight.
Yeah.
People waited in the Kennedy Commons parking lot, Kennedy in the 401 overnight. They wanted to get their hands on this. This is Jollibee's, a major institution in the Philippines, now opening its first GTA store, its third store in Canada. This is what they sell on the menu. They're known for their crispy chicken. They call it Chicken Joy. 6 pieces sell for $15 here in Toronto. But the menu gets really interesting after that, Francis. They're very much known for their Jolly Spaghetti, as they call it, $5.99. Sauce is more sweet than savory, full of ground beef, chunks of ham, and hot dog, as well as sausage. Next, the Palabok Fiesta, $6.99. This is what I want to try. It's noodles with a shrimp sauce topped with crispy pork, smoked fish, and toasted garlic, as well as eggs. Interesting delicacy there. Finally, the burger steak, essentially a Salisbury steak with a side of steamed rice. So big interest in Jollibee's. It's launching a big Canadian expansion now, trying to take advantage of a lot of Filipino immigration into the Toronto area.
Big community here in Toronto,
Yes,
so
indeed.
we'll have to see. Okay, thank you,
We've got to
Richard.
go try it. Thanks, Francis.
Okay, here's Roger.